Here we go, HD second box of Black Diamond. Or, what if we got one of those diamonds, the actual diamonds? How cool would that be? People are also forgetting about that. Those do exist in here. How cool would that be? Double diamond of Daniel Alfredson and a Brendan Gallagher dual jersey. I think there's something like 10 left, is that, if I remember correctly. A Rookie Gems triple diamond of Zach Redmond, so not many, but that's pretty awesome. Triple diamond of Tyler Seguin and a Dougie Hamilton dual jersey. We've got a quad diamond ruby, numbered to 50, Evgeny Malkin. Evgeny Malkin. And a double diamond of Crystal Tang. Not a bad ruby to get. We've got a Rookie Gems triple diamond of Johan Larsson. Triple diamond of Mikko Koivu. A quad diamond of Theron Fleury. Double diamond of Ryan Smith. Actually, no, bro, we haven't got the 99 rookie yet. We got a lot of nice hits. Double diamond of Pekka Rinne. And another Stanley Cup Champions rings of Brian Bickle. Brian Bickle. Stanley Cup Champions. We got a double diamond of James Neal. And SPX left? I don't know what you mean by that. Apologize, but we got a Rookie Gems quad diamond of Brendan Gallagher. Quad diamond rookie, Brendan Gallagher. Oh, is there? Yes, there is. Wow. We got a Rookie Gems quad diamond, Alexander Barkov. Well, that's not bad to have back-to-back of those two. And a Rookie Gems triple diamond of Drew Shore. No problem. I'm glad I can get some good hits here. Bergeron triple diamond. Makes me so happy to get those hits. Double diamond of Marc-Andre Fleury. Happier if I can get like one of those actual gems or some sort of crazy card like that. That'd be my ultimate happiness. Or McKinnon. And we got another quad diamond, Jean Beliveau. Jean Beliveau. Finish it up. Come on, McKinnon. Number to 499, Nathan Beaulieu.